Today we're going to learn how to make these beautiful Shrikhand mousses. It's a quick and easy recipe that takes only 5 minutes. Grab about 2 cups of yogurt and put it into a muslin cloth. And hang this overnight. So this is what the hung curd looks like. And just mix it in well. All the water out of the yogurt has come out, and make sure to use a plastic or a wooden spoon, not a metal spoon. Once all the yogurt has smoothened out, you can add in half a cup of icing sugar into the mixture. Just fold that in a little bit. Add in about 2 tablespoons of a mixed nut powder. You can make this with just ground almonds, pistachio, and any nuts that you really have. Nut mix also has some cardamom and saffron in it that really adds some of the flavor to this dish. And just mix all the ingredients we just added in well into the yogurt. The Shrikhand is ready now. So the curd mix should look really smooth, and that's just when you know it's ready. Next, we have to melt some white chocolate buttons. About half a cup of white chocolate buttons will do. Go ahead and melt it however you would like to. You can do it on a microwave or on a double boiler stove. The white chocolate has now melted. This is the kind of consistency it should be at, quite smooth, and there should be no lumps at all. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Consistency of the whipped cream should look like this. Now take the cream that we just whipped and then add about 1/3 of it into the Shrikhand mixture. Now fold it in lightly with your plastic or wooden spoon. The plastic spoon also allows more air to go into the Shrikhand mixture, allowing the entire dessert to be more aerated, and that'll make the dish a bit more fluffier. We're adding in the rest of the whipped cream. The reason we're adding it in parts is just because it's much easier for you guys to mix it in. Again, just fold it in. Don't mix it in too much. It'll take a bit longer, but it'll make the dessert taste much better. Now grab your melted white chocolate. Make sure it's got a really smooth consistency. Add it all in to the Shrikhand mixture. And then fold it in again, like we folded in all the whipped cream. Just be pretty gentle and patient with this process. Once you've added in the cream and the white chocolate into your Shrikhand mixture, it's time to put it into a piping bag with a star nozzle into it. Put in all the mixture into the piping bag. Grab some dessert glasses like this to put the Shrikhand mousse in. Now pipe the mousse mixture into the dessert glass. It'll come out looking beautiful because of the little star shape that we have in the nozzle. You can garnish your Shrikhand mousse with some nice chopped pistachios to add colour. And top it off with a nice wafer chocolate. Shrikhand mousse are ready.